Moses said to Jehovah, "Let Jehovah, the God of the spirit of all people, appoint over the assembly a man who will go out and come in before them, and who will lead them out and bring them in, so that Jehovah's assembly may not become like sheep that have no shepherd." So Jehovah said to Moses, "Take Joshua, the son of Nun, a man in whom there is spirit, and lay your hand on him. Then stand before Eleazar the priest and before all the assembly, and you must commission him before the rise. You are to confer some of your authority on him, so that all the assembly of the Israelites may listen to him. He will stand before Eleazar, the priest who will inquire in his behalf by the judgment of the Urim before Jehovah. At his order they will go out, and at his order they will come in, he and all the Israelites with them and all the assembly." So Moses did just as Jehovah had commanded him. He took Joshua and stood before Eleazar the priest and before all the assembly, and he laid his hands on him and commissioned him, just as Jehovah had spoken through Moses. Jehovah next said to Moses, "Command the Israelites and tell them you should take care that you present to me my offering, my bread. I present to me my offering, my bread. My offerings by fire as a pleasing aroma to me must be made at the appointed times. And say to them, this is the offering made by fire that you present to Jehovah, 2 7-year-old male lambs, a day as a burnt offering regularly. The one male lamb you'll offer in the morning, and the other male lamb you'll offer at twilight. Together with 1/10 of ephah of fine flour mixed with beaten oil, fine flour mixed with 1/4 of hin of beaten oil as a grain offering. It's the regular burnt offering which was established at Mount Sinai as a pleasing aroma, an offering made by fire to Jehovah, along with its drink offering, 1/4 of hin for each male lamb. Pour out the alcoholic drink in the holy place as a drink offering to Jehovah. And you will offer the other male lamb at twilight with the same grain offering as made in the morning, and with its same drink offering you'll present it as an offering made by fire as a pleasing aroma to Jehovah. However, on the Sabbath day, the offering should be 2 7-year-old male lambs, 2/10 of an ephah measure of fine flour mixed with oil as a grain offering, together with this drink offering. This is the burnt offering for the Sabbath, along with this regular burnt offering and its drink offering.